Welcome to the Explainer. So, let's fix a huge headache, turning giant PDFs into editable PowerPoints.
Seriously? How do you transform a massive PDF into a presentation without losing a single drop of content?
We want an exact copy, right? But most AI tools just hallucinate fake stuff instead of keeping your text.
We tested the giants. Gemini gives incomplete code, ChatGPT is unreliable, and Claude, stuck behind paywalls.
Look at this proof. Asking Gemini for a 100-slide presentation gave us exactly 14 slides. Total fail.
The real solution isn't a chatbot at all. Surprisingly, the absolute hero of this quest is actually Canva.
In testing, Canva smoothly handled a dense 91-page PDF. It processed that heavy file with total ease. But here's the killer feature. Dans des images réelles, Canva actually grabs your real source images.
No weird AI placeholders here. It preserves the absolute authenticity of your original visuals. It's a game changer.
So your real images, original text, exact layouts, and backgrounds, they all stay completely editable for you.
The workflow's a breeze. Just hit import in Canva, upload that heavy PDF, and wait a sec.
Once loaded, click Share. Pick Microsoft PowerPoint, and boom! You export a flawless, ready-to-edit presentation instantly.
Mastering this isn't just some silly internet hack, it's about efficiently spreading real, practical scientific knowledge.
Armed with this explainer's powerful workflow, what massive document are you going to rescue from AI hallucinations today?